Hey, what's up, YouTube? I was working on this 2004 F150 FX4. When I came, the customer stated that we had a no start, no crank condition. I get here, I noticed that the cluster was completely blank. I mean, it was dead. I had no crank, nothing going on. Digging in, started assessing the area, started looking to see what we had. And I ended up finding there was a ground down here that rotted out, that I ended up having to, when I pulled it off, it completely just broke. In a pinch, I just hurried up and skinned it, sanded down this area behind this bolt and stuffed it in there just to see if that was one of the problems, and turned, voila, the car started. But there's a big rust problem on this car, obviously. As I more look into it, I see this whole area rusted out, and then there's a big bung of wires back here that it just looks ridiculous. I mean, I see tape on some of them. There's a couple other issues that I'm working on, but I did get the main problem, which got power to the cluster and got this thing to start. So if you guys are having a problem where the cluster is completely blank and you're getting a no crank, no start, I'd take off this little shield right here that holds a little brake release and the hood release thing, I think, or something like that. But that, I'm just sharing this so people that might have a similar problem might know to look down in here. There's a ground that goes right here that when I grabbed, went to get my socket on it, it just peeled right off. I mean, look at that, it just rusted completely out. Just a little word of wisdom, maybe something to check if you're having that problem. Subscribe, man. Like my videos and subscribe. I appreciate it. I'm trying to get my subscriptions up. Have a good day.